Second grade Go Math Lesson 5.3. And today we're going to model regrouping for subtraction. It says draw to show the regrouping. Write the difference two ways. Write the tens and ones, write the number. All right, excellent. So what we have here is we have the number 35, and that's all they've shown. Now we're subtracting 9 from 35, so you don't need a 9 somewhere to show that we're subtracting, because when you're subtracting, you're taking something away. You're finding the difference between the two numbers. So you would normally see this problem written like this. We're going to do this a little bit different to illustrate or show how what's actually happening when you're regrouping. So we have 3 tens and 5 ones. 3 tens, 5 ones. I need to take away 9, but there's only 5 ones. So how do I do that? I'm going to regroup. I'm going to put an X on this 10 here, and you got to kind of be careful that you don't put on multiple tens here. And I'm going to make 10 more. I'm just changing it. So I'm not taking anything away yet. We're just regrouping those tens to be ones. For those at home, you may remember this as borrowing. This might look like borrowing. When you cross out the 3, put a 2. There's 2 left there. And then I have 10 ones plus 5 ones, which makes 15. Now, you don't have to worry about this too much. I'm just showing for those who are used to doing it this way. We're doing the same exact thing, just in a drawing format. So again, I have 2 tens, and I have 15 ones in total. I have 5 at top plus 10 on the bottom. That's 15. Now I need to take away 9. Now I have enough. Now I have enough ones to take away. Now you can pick which ones you want to take away, but I know 9 minus 10 is 1. So I'm just going to leave 1 remaining. I'm just going to kind of put a circle around the rest. Put an X over here. And you see I have 1 left. Well, I don't have 1 left. I have 5 more plus 1. So what is that? That's 6 ones. 15 minus 9, that's 6. 6. So you see it's exactly the same there. Now, I'm going to look how many tens I have left. I have 2. I have 2 tens. So I'm going to write 2 tens. My answer is 26. Drop the 2. 26. So again, we're doing the same exact thing here. We're just showing a visual representation of it. It's no different than how you might have did it when you were in school, if you're an adult that's listening to this. All right, so again, we have another problem down here. Subtract 17 from 46. I'm going to write my larger number on top, just again to show what we are doing in traditional format. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And again, we're taking away 17. So we got to think about how we're going to do this. If I'm taking away the ones, I don't have enough ones to take away because I only have 6. So right now I'm just going to cross out one of my one of my tens, I'm sorry. Same thing over here. I cross this out. Now how many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'm putting 3 up here. So I take 1 10 away. I'm going to fill in the blank tens frame here. All right. And now I need to take away 7. Now before I do that, I'm going to just show you on this side what I'm doing here. So I have 10 plus 6. So that's 16. So I'm going to cross this out just like you, for those who are used to the old way, or traditional way I should say, because we still use this way. It is old, but it hasn't been thrown away. Now I'm going to look and take away 7 from that 16. I have 16 on this side. Remember, 10 plus 6. So I know there are going to be 3 left over because 7 plus 3 makes 10. Or I could just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. I'm just going to put some X's here so I know I'm not using those anymore. And if I add up my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top to 7, 8, 9. I'm going to put 9 right here. I have 9 ones, just like that. Again, I took away 7 from 16. I have 9 ones left over. Now I look and I have 3 10s, but I need to take 1 10 away. So I'm going to take my other 10 away, because that's the 10 from the 17. And now I have 2 10s left. So this answer becomes 29. And that is how we regroup for subtracting.